getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment. And let me see. But what is it? That's somebody's vajayjay.
And then somebody's wiener's next on there.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's gross.
Oh, I've been on Snapchat in a long time.
Really?
Yeah, I might go Snapchat these genital warts.
That's fucking gross.
And YouTube. Like Tanner has the third one.
Yeah.
Genital warts.
Yeah, okay.
I'm done looking. This is gross.
Make a silly face.
Alright. Oh no, no silly faces. I'm just straight up sexy.
Stick your tongue out. Look at the camera. Do this. Hey, make me one of those balloon things.
A balloon hand?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, why not?
No, it's not even open yet.
They're gonna open it, don't you think?
No, they can go in there dry. I'm not going in there, I don't wear a condom.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's polluted. Oh my god, dude, you Snapchatted me.
Mm-hmm.
Kiss.
I don't even remember when
Hey
I did
bro,
that.
I got a house to ourselves if you're trying to come chill. Oh,
Who is that?
Gary, do you like me? Yes, no, maybe. It's fucking whack. That was July 27th.
Oh my god. Y'all just watch. Just watch this. Wait till you see what is in this freaking porta potty. Oh my god. I can't.
What? What?
You just peed in a porta potty.
Okay, and it's there for that exact reason.
It's funny. This is what happens when you're lazy. So you cook lazy people food. I can't wait to eat. Come on, Toto, let's go outside. Okay, so we went to the doctor's and everything's good. We heard the heartbeat and his heartbeat's good. Tomorrow I'm gonna be 20 weeks. And they did blood work to test to see if he has, what's it called? Boo Boo, what's it called? I can't think of what it's called. See if he has like spina spina bifida or something like that, and Down syndrome and stuff like that. And we're just gonna get those results in 4 weeks when we go back. We have an ultrasound next week, so stay tuned. The baby brazen growing fine and giving me a bunch of pimples and making me gain a lot of weight because now I'll be 111 pounds. Who would have knew? And it's raining and the camera's about to die. How awesome!